Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
How to easily create smooth slow motion. So to create a smooth slow motion using CapCut. So all we do is add an image of something's moving. For right now, I'm using my hand. So this is the normal movement, as you can see, of my hand. There you go. It says always open, close. I just put it down like that. Okay, now we're gonna put it on slow. To put it on slow mode using CapCut, click on your hand right here. After clicking on your hand right there, go to speed right here in the top right corner. Then um, right here at speed, we have the standards right here, curve and velocity. So we're gonna start with the standard. So the standard is everything here is gonna be fast or slow. So let's say if we want it fast, we're gonna move it to the right. There you go. There you go. As you can see, 1.7 times fast. I see right here. 7. It's two times fast. Or you can just change it number right here. Say 3. I want to change the number to, so let's say 3. 3 times fast. There we go. As you can see, it's on fastest mode. There you go. And you can change the duration of it if you want. Say like that. There we go. Let's say we want the video to be only 3 seconds long. So what it's gonna do is gonna match the 3 seconds to the speed right here. So now before it became 3, now it became 5. So once we play it, let's go as fast. So the whole video is gonna be fit in 3 seconds. So it's gonna adjust its speed. So now we're just gonna put it back to its normal speed right there. Now we have is the curve right here. So we have the curve. So the curve you can choose montage, hero, build, jump, but those are already built in. So those are the things that they usually use. Some people usually use. Okay, so go speed up, and we have the velocity right here. But this current change will be removed. The current speed change will be removed. So we're gonna remove it. I'm just gonna show you that before I teach you the curve. So as you see right here, here's the flash. So the flash, what it does, um, it's like goes fast then there, like that. You see right that. So flash, that's the flash like that, like that. As you can see right there. There's a lot of things you could try, but yeah, but let's get to our now. Let's do our call this. Now let's use the curve. So to use the curve, so right here we're just gonna click on speed and click on curve. So curve right here. I have two uses right now. We have the custom. So here at custom, we can customize it. As you can see, there's lines. There's like this things right here. So those are like the cuts. So when I move to the left, there we go. Everything on the left speeds up from starting from the first cut right here to the second cut right there. If we put it down, it goes slow. The video becomes long because it goes slow. As you can see, it's much more slower now. So hey guys, now we're gonna do this at an anime. Right here, an anime clip. Yeah, 10-second clip. Now, to do this on an anime clip, so we're gonna start with the standard one. So the standard one, right here, apply what I've teach you with the hand, and there you go. So now this is the normal pace in the video, as you can see right there. Looks like that. There you go. Now we're gonna start with the standard one. So the standard one, we can slow mode this with the standard one. So this part, I like to slow motion this part right here, then go fast right here. So to slow mode this part, all we need to do is split this part. Split. After splitting, then pause. Pause right there, then split. Then this part, press on this part, then click on the speed right here. There we go, adjust it. Now as you can see, once you play it, it will go slow. There you go. As you can see, now it looks cool, and then it's gonna go back to its original space. You can see right there. Now see, it looks cool. If you want to make it much more cooler than it's now, use the curve one. Curve one right here, like I've taught you, um, is click on customs right here, then adjust it to the place you want it. I want it right here. Now we're gonna lower that part right there, and this is just perfect because it just climbs up like that. And here we'll see adjust its place right here. We'll see, don't make it like very normal. There's a bit of normal space right there now. It's that. Let's go slow, and it climbs up. There you go. As you can see, it looks very awesome when it hits this part. So let's see. Look at it, guys. Go slow, then fast. There we go. As you can see. Oh, that part looks sick. So you see, it goes slow, like the power's coming out. Look at the power. Like, oh, that looks cool. So there you go, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. So yeah, that's how it looks like when you do it on an animated anime video. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any more questions, type it down in the comment section below. Happy to answer you, and thank you.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.